Hello, I'm Dr. Kirti from Oxygen IVF. Today, I'll talk to you about uterine abnormalities and infertility. First, we have to understand uterus is the center to a successful pregnancy. Any structural abnormalities in the uterus will reduce your fertility, will cause implantation failures, and increases the risk of miscarriages. In this video, we will discuss about uterine abnormalities, how they reduce your fertility, and why early diagnosis is the key. So, what is the role of uterus in fertility? Uterus is the place where an fertilized egg implants and develops into a baby. Uterine lining is very important. It is crucial for first, implantation success. After fertilization, the embryo implants into the uterine lining. If there is any irregularity or structural abnormalities, implantations becomes difficult. Second, for sustaining pregnancy. For the embryo to grow inside the uterus, it needs sufficient space and blood flow. If there is any structural abnormalities, this becomes difficult. Third, reducing risk for miscarriages. If there is any structural abnormalities like septate uterus or fibroids in the uterus, it leads to complications in pregnancy and will finally lead to early loss. These issues highlight how uterine health is closely related to fertility. What are the common uterine abnormalities? The common uterine abnormalities can be congenital, that is present from birth, or can be acquired, that develops over time. The common abnormalities are first, fibroids. These are non-cancerous tumors that grows in and around the uterus and can distort its shape. Second, polyps. These are soft tissues growth that form in the uterine lining and can block the cavity. Third, septate uterus. In this condition, there is a band that divides the uterine cavity and hence it restricts the embryo growth. Fourth, Asherman syndrome. In this condition, a scar tissue is formed in the uterus because of previous surgeries leading to infertility. Each of these conditions affect fertility differently and requires specific treatment approaches. Why diagnosis and treatment are critical. If these uterine abnormalities are left untreated, this will cause difficulty in conceiving, will cause repeated miscarriages and complications during pregnancy. And most of these cases with our advanced tools and treatments are now treatable. Early diagnosis increases the chances of a successful pregnancy, and mostly it reduces the physical and emotional stress a couple goes through. At Oxygen IVF, we provide comprehensive diagnostic and treatment options to help you achieve your dream of parenthood. In the next video, we will take a closer look on all types of uterine abnormalities and how it affects the fertility. Stay tuned.